getting help with from little Miss Emberlyn today. We are going to be growing a few things in our container garden. Can you pour it in the bucket? Good job. This might take a little while. So I like to use a combination of the Miracle-Gro vegetable and herbs garden soil as well as cow manure. Again, I guess really that's just partly back to my desire to do things a little more regeneratively and all the nutrients you get from manure, which who knows, maybe there's some of this in here.
Okay.
Miss Emberlyn has gotten our dirt inside here. So what we need to do before we put this into our seed blocks, we need to add a little bit of liquid in there. Hey Emberlyn, can you add some water to it for me? Half a glass. Good job. All right, stop. Our hands in here and let's mix the water around in the dirt. You mix it. I'm going to break up any of these big clumps. We don't want it too wet. We just want enough moisture so that the new seedlings have a little something to get started with. Show me your hands. What do you think about that?
It's good.
It's good. Okay, Emberlyn, let's grab a scoop of this dirt. And we're going to just sprinkle it over the top of this. Alright, we're going to do it like this. Now hang on, hang on.
Supposed to do it this way?
Yeah.
Now we do it.
Okay guys, so we're going to be planting some parsley, some onions.
Me want to do it.
You want to do the oregano?
Yeah.
Okay.
Me want to do it.
And we got some peppers in here somewhere. But Miss Emberlyn is going to help us put the seeds in. Yeah.
Me want to open this.
Alright, let's do it. Let's put all the seeds over here. We've got our little marking sticks so we can remember what everything is. And then on the other end, we went ahead and we marked how deep they need to go so that we don't put them too deep.
Okay.
All right.
Alright, Coach Merlin do it in his hand.
Good.
Mama planting.
Okay, he's gonna pinch. Put it in the hole. You drop them on the ground. Alright, wait, one, not all of them, just two of them. Grab two. There you go. Put it in that hole right there. So we have the first seeds of the season planted, and we're out of seed trays for right now. So we'll get these things started, and hopefully we'll be planting some more later. Let's go check on the Mini Rex rabbits. They are, I have no idea how many weeks old they are, but we are getting ready to start taking deposits on Mini Rex and Holland Lops. Some of them have already been claimed to Holland Lops. And May 22nd is when they're going to be old enough to go ahead to their new home. Let's go ahead and pop this door open. Make sure nobody's in the feeder today. All right. So we have a couple of albinos and some spots. And I believe that one's called a fawn with the tan coloring on it. Really, these are more of Charity's endeavor, so she could tell you a lot more about these rabbits. But they are growing so fast. There's one of our albinos. You can tell by the red eyes. But everybody seems to be quite excited and mobile. And of course, we have Mom, who's done a great job. All of these are first litter, so super cute.